in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Twitch account to Discord. So it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. At the end of this video I will show you the most important step. So firstly, just open the Discord and log in as I already did. After that, all we need is just to go to settings. So in the bottom of the screen near your avatar and nickname, just find the user settings button, so click on it, and then here go to connections. So in menu just find the connections line and click on it, then go to view more button on this arrow, so click, and then just find the Twitch icon and click on it. And the last step, all we need is just to log in using our username and password. So after that, the connection will be successfully created. So guys, this is a way how you can connect your Twitch account to your Discord. I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.